Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel DestinyWorld Unlimited. And today I mute the video music and everything. My audio is not good right now, and I'm just doing the voiceover. And today we're gonna open the Chef's Pat. It's a leak lock and 100% leak proof. It's a dishwasher shape and it's airtight. This one is 3.2 liter and it's just for container, and this one has a flip ring up that you can open, and to lock and seal you flip ring down. I had my first video, the kitchen organizing, and I used a different Chef's Pat storage, and that one is I think it's 32 pieces. This one I got this for my cereals and my other things for my kitchen. This one right now, this is dishwasher safe, BPA free, and for the lids, only wipe clean to avoid water from going inside the lids. Inside the package, they have coupons that you can use on your next purchase, and also they have rubber drawer. For more info, you can visit the www.chefspat.com/secret. So I hope I'm gonna win next time, so I can buy another Chef's Pat container, because I'm still organizing my kitchen. This one, Daddy put all the peanut butter because we got a box, and we also put the almonds and the coffee because we always buy a big container of coffee, and we put it on a small container for everyday use. And that three things I got it from the 99-cent store, and these are the first containers that I got from the Chef Pots, and the 4 that I got today I put it on the other side. I'm gonna show you too the shoe organizer that I've been using to organize the spices. It's not really that organized yet because I still have a lot of things to do on the kitchen, but as a start, I use the shoe organizer and it really works. And this one is for the cans, the canned goods that I've been using. I think it's like 10 cans, and this one is like an overhead organizer that I use some of my pasta. And these are the bottles that I'm planning to organize. I'm planning to buy a side fridge organizer. I'm gonna show it to you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel, and share it to your friends. And I hope that this video helped you in organizing your kitchen and helping you in your staying home. Thank you and have a good day. Please comment your channel below if you want a shout out on my next video. A special shout out to the Sister Hubby's YouTube channel. Subscribe to their channel. They have new videos today. And please also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.